In this Google Data Studio tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a website performance report quickly. So we're going to click this blank report button and click to create a new report. So you click on the blank report button. Now Google Data Studio will ask you the data source that you want to connect it with. We're going to select Google Analytics, but it has a lot of different ways. Alright, so we're going to select our Google Analytics account, the property and the website. We're going to select this website, and the view we're going to stick to the default view called all website data and Google Analytics. Now it is gonna tell you that you can add new data sources later. You click add to report. Alright, by default Google is gonna put this graph right here. When you click to create a new Google Data Studio report, we're gonna rename our report to website performance report. We wanna know what are the top source mediums, so we are gonna select pie chart and put this here, and inside dimension we're gonna select source medium, so we will know what are the source mediums and the top source medium for new users. We're gonna select source medium. So as you can see, the Google paid platform is the top source. Now we want to see what are the top categories and how people are using the website. So we're gonna select the bar chart. Now we're gonna put this here. Inside dimension we're gonna select device category. Alright, so you go to dimension, you select device category, and this is how new users found your website, using most of the time their mobile phones. Now we want to know the total goal completions and how did goal completions happen. So again we are going to select the pie chart because it gives us more clarity and the results are more visualizing and appealing. So inside device category we are going to change it to source medium again, but this time instead of views we're going to see the total goal completions. So we go to new users and change that metric to goal completions, or yeah, goal completions. So this is how quickly you can create a report. You can add more information like what are the top cities, what are the top device branding, and there are many ways you can create and put more data inside your website performance report. To view this, you can click this view button here. If you want to put the date, like users can choose for the time and date that they want to see the data for, you can put this right here, and now when your users will view this, they can select from here the date they want to look at the website performance report for. So that's how quickly you can start with Google Data Studio and create your website performance report.